Hello guys, we are back again. Today we're gonna make Lebanese food. They call it Ful Moudammas, okay? But I'm gonna put something else. As usual, I just add a lot of things in whatever dish that I want to cook. Here I have chili, tomato, baby marrow, and bell pepper, Ful Moudammas, cumin, salt, and olive oil and garlic. We're gonna start. First thing, just push it down. See, when you push it down, it's all removed. See, nothing was taken out. We can open it little, so we can take it out. See, there is nothing sticking there. I'll show you how to cut. What's the size we're gonna cut. Now we will cut the chili. The chili, it's small, so I prefer to cut it like this. Cut tomato now. This is the tomato. Now the baby marrow. Now the garlic. Here's the garlic. We're gonna start with this, guys. Here is our pan. We're gonna cook it in a pan. This pan is more bigger, wider. So we're gonna start. Open the cooker. So first thing, we're gonna put olive oil. When the oil become a little bit hot first. And we will start. I'm gonna start with the bell pepper. And today we will use a wood spoon. Wood spoon it's better always for mixing. Here is the can, the full moudammas. So if you are not I mean, you can find it. So I would like to show you the can, so you can find it. See, you can find here full moudammas, okay? Because maybe some of you will say, I don't know how it look like. Okay, it look like this. This is the can. Now I'll put the baby marrow. I will not cook everything, everything alone. I will not cook everything alone. Just half cook that one, then I can put this one. Then I will mix it together. Now we put the chili, then I'll put tomato. Now the smell will come more out and more stronger because of the tomato. You can see here the tomato, how it mixed with the chili and the bell pepper. And you can see now the baby marrow is like you cannot see the baby marrow anymore. Only the big cubes that is still popping up. See? It gives, you know, the nice taste juice. Still I have the garlic here. I will just put it before the full moudammas. So I'm gonna put the garlic before full moudammas. Here you can see the juice of the vegetable. It looks amazing. I put the garlic now. This full moudammas will be more in vegetable, so it's like more healthy. The smell of the garlic come out. Now I will put the full moudammas. By the way, we don't remove the water. The one in the can, we don't remove it. We keep it. Look at the color. It's colorful. Try to cover this one. I mean to use a very small cover, smaller than the pan, so I would like to, you know, let it steam and the water only being, the sauce will be around only here, as what you can see here. See, it will be boiling fast. It will take all the sauce and the juice. It will make it inside our vegetable and full moudammas. You can see it here. So this one, guys, gonna take around 20 minutes. This one is boiled for 5 minutes. Okay, now I remove the cover, then I'm gonna put my cumin. I don't want to put the cumin in the first, okay? I would like to have this, the taste still there, so I'm gonna put it now. It's 1 teaspoon, okay, of cumin, full, huh? Then I'm gonna put half teaspoon salt, half only. So I put it now, the cumin, so it will really give me the taste of the cumin later, because based on cumin also. We will cover again now. See, again we will just collect all together here and you will see it will give more water because this will steam, will put it back again, will steam to put it back again. So we will wait for 10 minutes again. So here guys, we passed already the 15 minutes. Here our ful moudammas. It gets a little bit dry. Okay, then while it's still boiling here, we can smash the ful. Try to smash it, because sometimes it depends on the ful. Sometimes you buy a good ful, I mean it's easy, it will be smashed automatic and it's easy, and sometimes you'll find it a little bit hard. So the best thing is just try to smash a little, not all, just try to smash the ful moudammas. For me, I always choose to put moringa leaves in some of my food because it has a lot of benefits. See the final product, and then you must put olive oil also on top. So here our ful moudammas, how it look like. The smell, it is really amazing actually. Here it's the Arabic bread Lebanese people are eating, and here I have one piece just for people that they don't know how it look like the Arabic bread, so they will have idea. Okay, so here our finished product with Arabic bread. Actually you cannot eat only with Arabic bread.